Hi, this is Vishwan, URK 19 CS 1232, and the subject code is uh, 18 CS 2015. The subject name is Object Oriented Programming Lab. And first program we're gonna see is to develop a Java application using inheritance concept and to um, automate the salary calculation of employee in organization as per the given salary band. First we're gonna start with import scanner class from the java.util.package. Create a superclass called employee and two children class manager in the engineering, and input in superclass initialize some instant variable basic salary, DA, HRA, tax, gross salary, net salary, EPF. Define a method calc and the string data as argument. Check whether the string data belongs to whether manager to class engineering class. And first we're gonna double DA, HRA, tax, gross, and gross salary and net salary. In EPF void calculation cal C in string variable. If variable W equal to check, basic salary is equal to 30,000, DA 0.95, HRA 0.20, tax 0.25, EPF 3,000. Gross salary is equal to DA plus HRA. That is the gross salary. So next net salary is equals to gross salary minus tax minus EPF. Gross salary minus tax minus EPF. That is the net salary. System.out.print ln manager slash n. System.out.print ln gross salary plus slash n net salary plus net salary. And system.out.println slash n pay details slash n. System.out.println DA 95% of basic salary. System.out.println DA plus DA. System.out.println HRA 20% of basic salary. System.out.println HRA plus HRA. System.out.println tax 25% of basic salary. System.out.println tax plus tax. System.out.println EPF is equals to minus 3,000. Else basic salary is 20,000. DA is equals to 0.80, HRA is equals to 0.15, tax is equals to 0.15, and EPF is equals to 2,000. And this is the basic salary, and gross salary is equals to DA plus HRA. DA plus HRA, that is the gross salary, and net salary is equals to gross salary minus tax minus EPF. Gross salary minus tax minus EPF, that is the net salary. System.out.println engineering slash n. System.out.println gross salary plus slash n net salary plus net salary. And system.out.println slash n pay details slash n. System.out.println DA 80% of basic salary, and system.out.println DA plus DA. And system.out.println HRA 15% of basic salary. System.out.println HRA plus HRA. System.out.println tax 15% of basic salary. System.out.println tax plus tax. System.out.println EPF is equals to minus 2,000. Is minus 2,000. Uh, class manager extends employee void class super dot calculate check. Class engineering extends employee voice main super dot calc engineering. So, public class main public static void main string args. Scanner object is equals to new scanner system dot ln. While true, system.out.println press 1 for manager slash n, 2 for engineering slash n, 3 for 3 to exit slash n. And int input is equals to object dot next int, and if input w equal to 1 manager refer 1 is equals to new manager refer 1 dot calc. Else if input w equal to 2 engineering refer 2 is equals to new engineering refer 2 dot calc. else if input double equal to 3, break else system dot out dot print ln invalid input. Now let's run the program. Let's type 2. Yeah, program was successfully run. Thank you. And now let's see the second program is calculate to write a Java. One second. Yeah, this is the second. Yeah, then this is the second program to write a Java program that calculate the pay of salaried and daily workers. And first we're gonna start with the import scanner class from Java utils package. Create a super class worker. In class superclass worker, string name double salary rate total pay, void company int hours, and total pay is equals to one second. Total pay is equals to salary rate into hours, and class daily workers extend workers void read, and the scanner object is equals to new scanner system dot in system dot out dot print ln enter name is equals to object dot next line system dot out dot print ln enter salary rate, salary rate is equals to object dot next double void compare void compare int hours super compare hours void display system dot out dot print ln name plus name system dot out dot print ln total pay plus total pay class salary workers extend workers void read scanner object is equals to new scanner system dot in system dot out dot print ln enter name of object dot next line system dot out dot print ln enter salary rate, and salary rate is equals to object dot next double object void compare int hours super dot compare hours total pay plus equal to salary rate into 40 void display system dot print ln name plus name, and system dot print ln total play plus total pay. Public class second public static void main string args scanner object is equals to new scanner system dot in system dot out dot print ln plus 1 for daily workers plus slash and 2 for salaried workers. Int input is equals to object dot next int if input double equal to 1 daily workers refer 1 is equals to new daily workers refer 1 dot read system dot out dot print ln enter number of days in days is equals to object dot next int refer 1 dot compare days 24 refer 1 days 1 display else if input double equal to 2 salary workers refer 2 is equals to new salaried workers worker refer to is dot read system dot out dot print ln number enter number of days in days is equals to object next int refer to compare days is equals to 24 refer to display. Now let's run the program. Salary list plus 2 10 name. Let's give Vishwant. Salary rate 30,000. Number of days 28 days. And this is the name Vishwant. Total pays 2.136E7. And program was successfully run. Thank you. Let's go.